Babe?
Yeah. But just beer. Before you come. Our.
No, man, you want bumbo clad be a good man.
Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious, you know, that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. Welcome back to Rash Nique. Guys, RASHKAMAR wet up my skin day before yesterday. I'm gonna get him. When am I gonna talk about him want sell my laptop? Okay. So the prank today is he just left. He went to the bank. So I'm gonna hurry up. I'm gonna do smelling like fish prank on him. So I got my underwear out and everything. I'm gonna go shower because he's like, babes, go shower. So when I get back, we could chill, watch a movie and everything. So I'm gonna chill and be all up on him with my fishy ass and see if he's gonna tell me that I smell like fish. Let's see if he's loyal and gonna say to me, baby, you smell funny and you forgot beard. Want him to tell me, I smell funny. So this is gonna be a shock to him. So he's gonna be like, what the hell going on with her? Yeah, I make him know, say, yo, the other day when we do the do, you give me an infection. So yeah, stay tuned, people. Me run go beard. I forget the can of tuna, so I can put some of the tuna juice on my underwear and you know. So I got show now. Well, let me hurry up because I'm gonna come back quick. So me running at the shower now. I like my beard, but damn, I forgot beard again. Shit, but it's okay. Cause I love beard anyway. No, the fish smell got up on me. I have beard again.
No, I'm saying just act like you bathe first.
Oh, I like my
Change
bed
your
first.
clothes and then after the break you bathe. Why would you bathe?
Alright, that's what I'm gonna do, people. I'm gonna set up and get ready for him. Alright, so I wanna stay tuned. Cause it's going down. Okay? It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. And I'm gonna smell like fish. And I'm going to work. And I'm gonna smell like fish. And I'm going to work with my fishy ass. People want to stay tuned because your girl is gonna prank him, y'all. So stay tuned, people. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, period. You guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. I don't want this fish on my hair. You know, people, I'm not gonna wet my rag before I check the rag. This is my rag, no, it's. Guys, I took my shower. I smell good. I smell so good. Yeah, I'm gonna be all up on RASHKAMAR. Yeah, there's no way he could turn this down. Not this fish. Guys, no, sir, it's fishy. It smells like fish mixed with perfume. Lord God, no. This doesn't smell right. Yeah, guys, so I'm just waiting for him to come back. And yeah. We gonna hang out, we gonna chill, he gonna smell this fish. Yeah, you don't know. But guys, I'm just waiting for him to come back. Once he comes back, I'll turn the camera on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out Rash Nique on Instagram. And check out First Lady Nique on Instagram and RASHKAMAR on Instagram. Alright guys, so we're gonna wait till him come. We don't know how long he's gonna take, but we're gonna wait till him come and then we'll start the prank. Alright? Yeah. Guys, Medea, wait upon him for come. He's taking forever to come. I want this fish stuff off of me. Oh my God. It doesn't smell right. And then I'm getting sweaty in this robe. My robe just washed yesterday. I'm gonna wash it again because I'm full of freaking tuna juice. Oh my God. It's all over me, on my neck, everywhere. So hopefully he just hurry up. God. Oh no, those are some kids. Y'all thought he was coming, y'all. So, but they wait upon him. I don't know what the hell I take so damn long at the bank, man. I want to get this. Oh, if I could really go bait for real. I'm glad I listened to my daughter and didn't go bait for real because then, you know, him decides, oh, I'm going to thief my laptop. He lied. Because I'm going to kill him with fish tonight. I bet you after the video, you're going to appreciate me. I bet you. You're going to appreciate something nice and sweet. I mean, I always smell sweet. Yeah. Watch me your name. Watch me your RASHKAMAR. Everybody in the comment section, Team Nique. Spam up the comment section, you know. Team Nique. Team Nique. Yeah. Team Nique. Cause even the prank when him do idea, a Team Nique see where come a body him up. Team Nique. Yeah. Right, that's all.
1 hour later.
Guys. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming, guys.
Hi, baby.
Hi. Here's how it takes so long.
I two about my go, so machine them. Nah, go on good, you know. I may have to go best buy and then I forget the light did it, but the case is gone at this minute, so we never buy none.
Oh, my beard. We're ready. Ready for what show?
Your beard, baby?
Yeah. You don't smell the thing? The spray.
No.
My beard.
Hold on.
Come on, time for what show now. Yeah. Show time. We have couple show on some couple YouTube for watch. We have to open phone. I don't know if see me of them posts. Let's see me of them posts. Yeah, mommy, I check to see.
Baby,
Watch out, blood clot!
Your beard, baby?
What? What?
Your beard?
Yeah. But just beard. Before you come. How
Take off this, man. This not wash good or sit, man.
You just washed it today.
You know wash good. Then, me no know. Smell it.
I don't smell anything. You smell nice. I don't smell nothing.
You have to come and vibe too.
Come here. Wait. What you smell? What? I don't smell nothing. Smell it.
No, man. It smell like weird, man.
Like what? Oh, it smells.
Stink, rank, fishy, all of them sitting there.
Rank and fishy?
Yeah. You sure your beard good?
Yeah, my beard. Remember trying to my dirty clothes. Yes.
I know.
But all this wash. We don't smell nothing. I don't know where you smell. I don't smell anything.
Yeah. No.
I must eat. Oh shit. What do you think it washing now? You never wash it?
Of course, I wash it, boy. Quite, you know.
That not wash. You like you left it on the machine, like where you always I left the clothes them on the machine and I make them sour. And the things sour you come talk about me smell like rank.
Rank are them kind of smell. I mean, not even you know stink, but yeah.
Oh, I'm supposed to good now. I'm take it off.
Yeah.
Someone right here nice in here.
Alright.
Yeah. I'll fix up with things. I watch with shows. Right, baby?
Alright.
Yeah. I watch with show now. Don't know.
One done not drop nothing.
One don't leave it. Let's see. No. Last thing them drop was the one when it said Livy sick, Livy feel sick.
Hey, I breathe, you know.
I got it. Oh, I would be happy.
I bet you.
I'd be so happy. See me like them posts. What are they? Oh no, they didn't. Them the posts that you don't like. Them YouTube when I get bread.
I say you go. Same thing going around that too. Like when in a
They soon drop, man. We're gonna find something.
Yeah.
To let them drop. Yeah, me cuddle with my baby. Yeah. Come on, baby.
No, man.
What?
What kind of lotion I use, baby?
The native.
So like me use some, you smell. You smell raw, man.
I don't smell raw. My just beard, or the hell if you talk about me smell raw. My beard.
Beard smell raw, man.
Me not smell raw. Me not smell nothing.
Your nose want fix. You want a new nose or something. Trust me.
Me smell raw?
Yes.
How do I smell raw?
Me no know, baby.
Smell me.
Me smell you already, I don't want to smell you again, man. Go beard.
Just babes, don't disrespect me like that. Don't disrespect me like that.
Alright, make it go.
I just bathed, bro. I just bathed. I don't understand what you're smelling.
Babe, me no know, but
where is it coming from?
That's up to man.
Smell.
No man, you want bumbo clock be a good man.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
No man.
What are you talking? So you do all of that for?
No baby, that smell bad, man. No, serious.
I don't smell anything. Something is wrong with your nose.
Bed.
I bathed.
Alright, go ahead.
But just bed.
Alright, no problem. Go ahead, bed.
Oh.
Me I go edit all night.
What do you mean you're gonna edit all night? Why?
Me nah come up with that man and smell some. Alright, make it 2 go bed now.
How? When you say smell raw, what do you mean
raw? Raw. You know what? Babes, no come side of me. Go west. You don't know raw?
I think you're joking. You're playing with me.
Sure. What me I play that for?
Can you like play? You're playing. The bed smell? I was sitting there. It smell?
Yeah man, this have got change man. You have to go bed, bro. Me not lie, man. Me not lie, babes. Trust me.
So babes, you have to talk to me like that? I smell for real?
But me, yeah.
What do I smell raw? Like
raw,
what?
Raw like fish.
Like chicken?
No,
like
no.
steak?
Like
what?
No, like a seaside.
Like raw meat?
Seaside, not raw meat. No, seaside. Like, no man.
So, I must you cause that. If me smell like seaside, I must you. Cause all the hell me smell. Me is a girl. Me not smell like. Me not smell like.
You smell this. Smell this.
It smell like it.
Smell what? What? Bread.
No sir. I'm not beating no kind of no me.
Well,
I'm not gonna be. Babes, I don't smell raw.
Baby, don't just. Alright, it told me I got bathe then. Cause you just said me smell away, so it told me I got bathe then.
But I just bathe. What am I gonna bathe again for? I'm just friggin' bathe.
You not bathe good then. Simple.
How big woman like me enough to be a good?
That me I wonder.
Why would I go back in the bathroom to do all of that? Me don't smell raw. I don't smell raw.
Baby, just chill, man.
Me put on deodorant.
Go bathe. Go bathe.
Why the fuck would you do that?
Cause you not smell. Go bathe, no man.
I bathe.
You have to bathe again. Alright, see if go bathe now.
Oh my god, why did you do that? Why would you do that? Why you wet me up for? I bathed already.
Sure. You have to go bathe again.
Why?
Me and you go.
I don't smell no way. I don't smell anything, bro. Devonay! I'm calling my ask Devonay if I smell because me not smell nothing. This is ridiculous. You are fucking wetting me up for no reason. You know, no manners. You could have just simply said for go bathe.
So let me tell you what you say
You
now.
could have just simply said to go bathe.
And that me say and you say no. So me and make you go, make sure you go bathe. And some soap, me sure I open your tub.
Freaking man wet me. Yo. Alright. Watch what happened to you now.
What happened?
Watch what happened to you. Watch what happened to you in a days.
Bathe. Go bathe. That's if you go do. Me I come bathe with you.
Me no want you bathe with me.
Me come bathe you.
Me no want you nowhere near me.
Me come bathe
you. Me no want you bathe me. But you know for bathe me, I be going to can bathe myself. Me no want you bathe me. You're too bright. Why the hell you come wet me up with water for? All you have to do is simply say, go bathe the skin.
I know that
you smell raw, and you smell like whatever. Just babes go bathe. And we or you deal with it. And we or you deal with it. You never have to deal with it. So all you have to do was say, babes, you not smell too lovely tonight, you know. Getting in the shower or whatever the case might be. You're raw, go bathe. That's not how you talk to me. That's not nice. You hurt my feelings, don't make me feel away.
My feelings hurt too, because I come in if it's come change the sheet and
For
all
you to
that
come
right.
and wet me up like this,
Yeah.
I feel away. Why would you do that?
You feel, I must be Union Spice. You feel away?
I feel away.
Must. Because I don't know what
But,
I'm
yo.
I never come in and stuff to come change sheet.
You never have to do all of that. You never have to do all of that, yo. Shit. You have to just, all you have to just simply say, may a woman just simply come and say.
Something to say?
Wait,
But you're not going to me.
Okay, but you're not giving me a chance to go to the bathroom.
How smell it? How it smell?
Because you keep saying I smell and I don't smell
Me
anything.
say raw. Raw. It's raw. Me don't chat.
Well, all you have to do is sleep in here.
Me don't chat. That me I tell you.
Come now, go bed. Forget that shit. I'm not gonna go bed again for what? When I know I don't stink. This is ridiculous. And then you wet me up for no reason.
I'm done talking, so no matter where you can, it just say anything where you say right now, because I don't chat. Don't tell her already, go bed, you say, this or that. You have to bed now, because you're wet up. You go front, you know, baby. It's like where you ring, like where you're raw and wet up. And I think everything now, make it go bed. So you pose so.
Because I'm really pissed off.
Okay.
Why would you wet me up? I don't smell raw.
You sure I piss off? Mine a piss, you get piss on, you know. God say you're smelling.
Shut up before I piss on you.
You're right.
Shut up, I'm not rain. I just freaking bathed my skin. How am I gonna be rain? I'm not rain. You don't see it's very bright? I'm not rain, bro. Shit.
Yeah, so we're gonna be the tour.
No, I'm not gonna go there.
Alright, then you go. What's my show them?
Hello.
I wonder. How am I about it, baby?
Hello?
Yo, woman.
Hi.
So what smells so?
Your top lip. Woo.
Yeah, in a ring, bad man.
Rank.
Stink.
I don't smell anything.
I know. Go bed, man.
Stink for true?
Yeah, nobody come so near. Zoom in. Nobody come near.
What do you mean?
That
Don't make a foot catch me.
Same thing I tell you all ago. What you mean what me mean? No come here so. See when me tell you say you're raw.
But I love you, baby.
Wet you up now you talk about.
But I love you. I love you, honey.
Love you too.
Don't do that.
Baby.
Kiss,
Nobody.
give me a
Wait,
kiss.
no man.
Give me a kiss.
Actually, I don't know you smell.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Alright.
Alright, give me a
No!
Give me a hug.
You know me I forgot be.
Give me a hug.
Alright.
Give me a hug, baby. Yeah.
Hey! You're cool, man.
Fishy, fishy, fishy.
I go bed now.
Big
Come.
fat fish. Laying on the eye.
Yo.
I them on them guy. I miss them like fish. Woo. But smell, you want to smell like me, don't, baby?
No, baby, just chill, man.
Baby.
Baby, just be and put on
You
your
don't
clothes
smell
there,
like
man.
me. You don't smell like me?
No.
Why?
Can you think?
I smell so good.
I know. Alright. Like, share, and comment, and everything. Alright, don't know.
No.
Baby, chill, man. Baby.
Why are you getting so mad? You're supposed to love me anyway, McCall.
Baby, you...
They said it's sickness
Come
and
on,
health.
we got bed now. Who's this, sir?
Fish or no fish?
Who's this, sir? Come,
When
we
you're,
got
when,
bed,
when, you're, when you're living married life, you have to accept me for who I am.
Yeah, bed.
Okay? Come give me a hug.
Babe, go on, man.
People, what your people are ignorant to know what you're vexed or ignorant to me raw. The man change all bed.
It bed stink, man.
But stink for true.
How are you use?
And then we're gonna put the perfume
So let me tell you, man.
with
Where
the
you
fish smell, tuna.
Jesus God Almighty. So that you buy tuna for? Yo.
Come get this tuna, baby. You want tuna? You want a tuna sandwich?
Mm-mm.
Why not?
You rank.
Oh my God.
Your tuna sandwich rank.
I bet you not get none of that tuna sandwich that tonight.
Like a ram goat. Backside. I don't know what I'm to that woman.
Come, let me sit on your lap.
Babe, chill. No, man, just chill.
Come, let me sit on you.
No.
You don't want to hug me?
No.
You don't want to kiss me?
No. Where your beard? Where your beard?
Come in, Debbie. Do I smell like fish? Or raw? Smell me.
No.
See? See? There's something wrong with your nose, dog.
No yourself. Me I go beard, so you not have beard.
Something wrong with him nose, people. My daughter said me not smelling on my daughter not gonna lie.
And stop put all this camera come on me naked. You know if you do that.
You better tap your eyes before I come over there and give a big fat bear hug. Ooh, because okay, you don't want to hug from me tonight. That's not nice.
No, that me just say, man. You done, David? Me go beard.
I wasn't in the bathroom.
I know you in there. Oh, what there? Sorry.
Come here, I'm a big friend. Give me a big hug. Whoa. Give me a hug. Anyways, people. People. No, I'm not going to beard. No, it not smell good for you. God, no, it not smell nice. And then go wet me up with the water.
I stink. Me come in the room and stink. Me go in the bathroom and what?
Tap your nice.
Stinky, man.
Oh, him stink. But no, I him stink and me. Him you just smell this whole time.
Stink different from raw. Me say raw. You're raw. You're raw.
It smell like dongawa.
You smell like fishing boat.
Dongawa?
No, fishing boat. For real, you know? That's a fishing boat smell.
Your one-stop seafood shop. You can get lobster, shrimp, fish. Which one you want?
None.
You want run my belly?
Where fast so your belly can't, if your belly not run already 12 years though, it not gonna run.
Don't know. I eat that thing you deal with, man. Nah.
Eat that thing? Baby,
Yeah.
I thought you would love this aroma.
Eat that thing. You like bed, babe? Yo.
Yo, I'm for washing my robe again. Y'all wash it for me tomorrow?
Nah. I got work tomorrow.
I'm gonna wash it for me tomorrow. Watch it. No, listen to me. I'm gonna wash my robe
When I come back, I got work.
For me tomorrow. Alright, people. Anyways, no, I forgot beard now. My skin a catch me. I feel nasty. My wet. My frownsy. My raw. All of them something there. So, I forgot beard. So, me don't know if I catch him or me don't catch him. Me don't know how it go. But yeah, when it doesn't like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification, hit the bell to turn on your post notification so you guys can get notified every time we upload a video. So yes, I'll see you guys in the next prank. Alright? I'm going like something like catch you. Watch you.
Watch him, I saw it out there.
Miserable? Miserable?